People are going insane for the new Wonka movie, but there's some things about the old Chocolate Factory movie that are super dark and twisted that I think you might have missed. If you don't know, the original Wonka movie, in his eccentric ways, designs his tour to test the children's virtues and flaws. He's looking for an heir to his factory. The children's actions and choices throughout the tour determine their fate. Some of the kids' choices resulted them in almost drowning in chocolate, one turned into a blueberry, one fell down a garbage chute, and one was shrunken. But this isn't what was so twisted about the movie. And it also wasn't that scene that was really off-putting on the boat ride with all those weird images in the background. And that brings us to Grandpa Joe, who sat bedridden for 20 years until learning his grandson won a tour to a chocolate factory. Then he starts dancing around, seeming perfectly fine. Cut to this scene. In this room, they have wallpaper that tastes like candy. So they each lick some of the wallpaper. But if you look closely at Grandpa Joe, Buddy is getting straight nasty with it. Where did he learn how to do all that being bedridden for so long? Certainly, that was not in the script.